Welcome to today's topic, how to pay off credit card debt fast. It's a topic that's essential for almost everyone, regardless of your age or financial status. So, what is credit card debt? In simple terms, it's the amount of money that you owe to your credit card company. It's essentially a loan you take out every time you swipe your card, and if you don't pay off the full amount by the due date, you'll be charged interest. Now let's talk about how credit card debt can pile up. It starts when you spend more than you can repay in a given month. This leftover balance is then carried over to the next month, and interest begins to accrue. The longer you carry a balance, the more interest you'll owe. And if you're only making the minimum payments, it can feel like you're on a treadmill, running hard, but not making any real progress. The consequences of not managing your credit card debt effectively can be severe. It can lead to financial hardship, stress, and even bankruptcy. It can also negatively impact your credit score, making it harder for you to get loans in the future. And let's not forget the emotional toll it can take, causing anxiety and sleepless nights. But here's the good news: understanding your credit card debt is the first step towards gaining control over it. It's about being aware of your spending habits, acknowledging the debt, and making a commitment to pay it off. Remember, having control over your debt means having control over your financial future. It means peace of mind, knowing that you're not living paycheck to paycheck, and that you're working towards financial freedom. So let's not shy away from this topic. Let's embrace it, because the more we understand about credit card debt, the better equipped we are to tackle it head on. Now that we understand the gravity of credit card debt, let's dive into some effective strategies to pay it off quickly. First things first, create a budget. This is your financial blueprint. It's a crucial step in managing your finances and getting a handle on your debt. So, how do you create a practical budget? It starts with identifying all your sources of income. This could be your salary, any side hustles, rental income, or investments. Next, take stock of your expenses. Everything from your rental mortgage, utility bills, groceries, transportation, right down to your morning coffee. Once you know where your money is coming from and where it's going, you can start to make informed decisions about your spending. The key is to allocate a portion of your income to debt repayment. This isn't just about meeting minimum payments. It's about reducing the principal amount of your debt. With a proper budget in place, you're one step closer to being debt-free. Moving on to our second strategy, always aim to pay more than the minimum payment. You see, when you only pay the minimum, it's like trying to empty a swimming pool with a teaspoon. It prolongs the debt repayment period significantly, leading to a mountain of interest over time. It's a game where the only winner is the credit card company. Now let's flip the script. When you pay more than the minimum, even if it's just a little, you're taking a stand against your debt. You're saying, "Not today, debt, not today." You're attacking the principal amount, which in turn reduces the interest you need to pay. It's like turning that teaspoon into a bucket. It might feel like a drop in the ocean initially, but remember, even the ocean is made up of tiny drops. Every little bit counts, and it all adds up to create a powerful wave that will wash away your debt faster. Paying more than the minimum is a powerful strategy to expedite your journey to a debt-free life. Next, let's discuss two popular debt repayment methods, the debt avalanche and the debt snowball methods. These are tried and tested strategies that have helped many people climb out of debt. First, we have the debt avalanche method. This strategy involves paying off debts with the highest interest rates first. Imagine an avalanche, starting small at the peak of a mountain and gaining momentum as it rolls down. That's how you'll tackle your debts, from the highest interest rate to the lowest. This method can save you a significant amount in interest over time, making it a great choice if you're dealing with high-interest debts. However, it may take longer to see progress, which can be discouraging for some. On the other hand, we have the debt snowball method. Picture a snowball rolling down a hill, starting small and gradually getting bigger. With this method, you start by paying off the smallest debts first, regardless of the interest rate. As each debt is paid off, you roll the payment you were making into the next smallest debt, creating a snowball effect. The advantage here is the psychological boost from seeing debts disappear quickly. However, you might end up paying more in interest than with the avalanche method. So, which method should you choose? It really depends on your personal circumstances and mindset. If you're motivated by quick wins and need to feel progress, the debt snowball might be the way to go. But if you're more concerned with minimizing interest and have the patience to stick with it, the debt avalanche could be a better fit. Remember, the most important thing is consistency. Whichever method you choose, stick with it. Consistently making payments, no matter how small, is key to overcoming debt. It's like climbing a mountain. It may seem daunting at first, but with each step, you get closer to the peak. Choose the method that suits your circumstances and stick to it. Let's recap the strategies we've discussed to pay off your credit card debt fast. We started by understanding the gravity of credit card debt, how it accumulates, and the importance of breaking free from it. We then moved on to creating a budget, a crucial step that helps you take control of your spending habits and allocate more towards debt repayment. We emphasized the need to pay more than the minimum monthly payments. This accelerates your debt clearance and saves you from paying excessive interest. Lastly, we explored the two popular repayment methods, the debt avalanche and debt snowball. The former targets high-interest debts first, while the latter focuses on small debts, creating a sense of achievement and momentum. Remember, paying off debt is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay committed to your plan, and you'll reach the finish line. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more financial tips. Here's to your journey towards financial freedom.